Well, hey guys, I hadn't done a video in a while. For all you vintage electronics people out there, got this in. This is a vintage Panasonic AM/FM weather band flip clock radio. I picked it up pretty cheap, and the radio, everything works. The clock runs for a while, then it slows down and stops, and it's making a terrible noise. So I'm going to address that. I'm going to oil that up. So I've already got some of the screws. Actually, I got a lot of the screws popped out already. These come apart pretty easy. You just got to pop them screws out the bottom there, and then this top part flips up. You got to be careful not to break it, because you got to pry on it a little bit with this flat screwdriver to break it loose once the screws are out, and then this top just kind of flips back. And just be careful. Remember, these things are old and they are brittle. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the controls and stuff in here while I got this apart. Radio works great. Like I said, there's the output transistors. So, yeah, it looks like it's all silicone transistors. This one doesn't have the IC chips. Some of them will say IC on them, but I think this one predates that. Possibly, I'm not sure. Panasonic had a lot of different models. Well, this is actually made by Matsushita. So there's the clock mechanism. I don't know why they didn't put a little window here like a lot of these flip clocks have on the front where you can see that little wheel spinning. But anyway, let's plug it up real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. And you guys can probably hear that. And the clock's running, but making a noise. And then after about maybe an hour or two, it slows down and it will stop working once it gets good and warmed up. So, you know, it gets in a bind. So I need to take this clock mechanism out of here. This is going to be a little bit of a chore. And just really lubricate it really well. But it works. Like I said, it just runs a little slow. Seems like all the lights and everything work on the clock. I don't know, the phone is not going to pick it up, but yeah. The radio lights up at night. When you turn it on, you can see it light up. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. Radio switch. The volume control is probably all the way down, but yeah, that's your switch for your radio and your alarm set. Yeah, so pretty cool. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick overall of this. This is what I'm going to be working on. I'm going to plug it because I don't want to mess around in there with it live. So there you got it, guys. The Panasonic flip clock AM/FM weather band radio. Now it's got a button on the back for the weather. Let's see here. Right on the. I think that's this right here. You got your for extra antennas if you want to add them. The camera's not going to focus naturally, but there's a control here for your weather band adjustment. So, all right, guys. There you have it. Panasonic flip clock radio. Thanks for watching.